Hello everybody, today we switch our topics to chemistry, still at 2023 November, HL paper 1. Question number 1 is about balance of equation. You observe that on one hand side there are two compound with oxygen, so we don't do oxygen first, okay, we do the complicated hydrogen first, okay. So the left hand side 3 hydrogen and the right hand side 2 hydrogen, so the ratio should be 2 and 3. Okay, 2 nitrogen here, so on the right hand side should be 2 nitrogen also. So count the thing on the right hand side, 2 oxygen, 3 oxygen, altogether 5 oxygen, so 2.5 oxygen molecule. So what is the ratio of NH3 and O2? It should be 2 to 2.5 multiplied by 2, it is 4.25. So the answer is B. Thank you.